If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making SARA PANA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need for 2 glasses of SARA PANA are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then quarter glass of cream of milk or SARA, which is the top layer of the milk. Then about 4 tablespoons of Jaggery or gur. Now I am making this in these ceramic glasses, but you can make it in any glasses that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. Now take a glass and add milk, which should fill up to 90% of it, just like this. Then to this, add about 2 tablespoons of Jaggery or gur. As we are making 2 glasses of it, we will divide the ingredients into half. So once it's well combined, gently put a layer of SARA on top of it. Then take half of the powder and sprinkle on top. And it's done. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad SARA PANA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.